Welcome to season 6 of Cook with Jake and Joy. We're so excited to share this season with you because so many things are different. First of all, Jake and I are together, which is so different than her shooting them in her kitchen.
We're so
by
much
herself.
more funny when we're together.
Well, we think so.
We know. Well,
I don't know if
people
that's
have
really
said
true.
that.
Yeah, I guess.
What about me?
Well, the three of us are pretty epic.
Yeah, but you don't have your microphone. You're microphony.
I can yell really loud.
You're missing your microphony. But also, we have a really special guest on this season that is like a celebrity chef. And we're not going to tell you who it is, so you're going to have to
Wait for it.
stay tuned. It's going to come a little bit later in the season. It's going to be great. But listen, we just want you guys to know what Cook with Jake and Joy is all about.
Yeah, and so we make all vegan, gluten-free, plant-based recipes. And it doesn't mean you have to be a vegan or a gluten-free person, but we like to show people.
Is that a thing? A gluten-free person? I don't think we're talking about gluten-free or vegan. I think we're just talking about yummy.
We want to show you some really simple, easy ways to make really healthful recipes, ones that an assembler, a professional assembler can make, not necessarily a professional chef. They're super easy, super flavorful, and so maybe you're just wanting to swap out one meal a week that's, got more plants in it, that's vegan, that's gluten-free. We are your girls for that.
But also, you may be really looking to get like maybe you're vegan and gluten-free, maybe you're really plant-based, you're not totally vegan, but you want to get your family engaged in what you're doing, and you're looking for ways to get your family more involved, and that's what we hope these recipes really do for you.
Whether it's breakfast or a snack or on the go, or what can you find that's already pre-made that's going to really work well for you, we've got you covered.
And if there are things that you'd like us to really focus on, or maybe you have a great recipe that you want to get featured on Jake and Joy, we should have a contest.
Okay.
That would be awesome.
Email us.
Yeah, email us. Email us.
I got one, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Done. Nailed it.
She lived on those. I'm serious, she lived on those for a year one time. But anyway, if you've got things that you want us to include into our show, we're happy to share it with you. Also, if you want to know more about some of the products that we talk about, like our vertical gardening systems, or our plant concentrates, or our plant oils, just message us and we'll send you some info about it. We are so excited to share this season with you. Welcome and come on in.